tiny little Play-doh, and my mum gave me it, so I'll open it now. So there's this, and this, and as you can see, you can make a nice lolly. And this, what you put your ice cream on it.
Gizek yapıştı kenara.
And there's a spoon and a cup. And there's and pink and green. And there's another cup. Big van. Another pink one. And pink cup. And the big van. And a white piece of Play-doh. And a rolling pin. And this is what goes here. And a spoon. So, I'll be making something now.